Namaskara, Harsha here, welcome back. So today is the day 3 of the 21-day handstand mastery. On the first day, I taught you how to do Bhujapidasana. The second day, I taught you how to practice Ekapada Bhujasana with one-legged shoulder press hand balancing. So today is the third day. I'm going to teach you Ashtavakrasana, where the body is crooked in 8 different angles, 8 different positions. It's named after the sage Ashtavakra. More about him I'll share in the subsequent videos. Now let's get started with the practice. How do you practice Ashtavakrasana? The initial position will be the same. You keep the foot apart. How much apart? It's as wide as the shoulders only. So once you do this, you bend the leg. First, we're going to do this to the left side, okay? To the left side. So for this, I'm going to tuck my left hand inside the left leg, and once you're able to do this, you interlock the ankle. So I'm going to place my right palm next to the right foot. So from here, I interlock my ankle. This will be the first position. If you're not able to do this, you have to just make sure you practice the earlier versions of hand balancing first, and then you move on to this. So let's repeat this again. Try to cross the ankles. If you're able to do this, then you slowly stretch the leg. And if you're able to stretch the leg, you slowly bend the hands, and then you look to the left. And then when you want to come back, you slowly come back. So this is Ashtavakrasana done to the left side. I know this looks totally crazy, but this is how it is. In the initial stage, you'll find this practice very difficult, but by time you'll start enjoying it. It's just that you don't know how to cross the legs, stretch them, and at the same time maintain the body weight on the hands. Since all of this has to happen simultaneously, you'll find this difficult. You'll get there eventually. Now let's try this to the right side. When you're going to do to the right hand in, I'm going to first lift the buttocks up. My right hand goes in. So from here, I interlock the ankle. I try to get the balance. I look front or look down, wherever. After this, I'm going to slowly stretch the leg. If I'm able to do this easily, I look towards the foot. And then I slowly come back. So this is how you do Ashtavakrasana. How to do this, what techniques that you have to adopt in order to reach here, more about this I'll be sharing the subsequent ones. But first, I'm going to just tell you and share with you all the different hand balancing asanas that has to be done in a sequential manner, one after another. Today is the day 3. First one was Bhujapidasana. Second one was Ekapada Bhujasana. This is the third one, Ashtavakrasana. So do give this a try. If you haven't practiced the earlier ones, I sincerely suggest to give that first a try, and then you come to this. And this practice is definitely not for you if you're a complete beginner. This is for those students and teachers who've been practicing for quite some time, but it's just that they didn't know, okay, what comes after what. What is the sequence in which you have to practice the hand balancing. So I hope this was informative. I hope you got to know, okay, how to go about this. More techniques on this I'll share in the subsequent videos. Give this a try, write it down. Now you know what are the first 3 hand balancing that you have to practice. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.